going to showcase what we're doing at the moment is I'm showing you the new Archon mode for our app, which has just been newly newly fixed. We had it working before, but it's just been fixed from because it stopped working, and now we have the app back. So this is going to be helping with our essentially it's going to be helping with our Titan X1 a tournament which is coming up. That's essentially for the group games in that. Players will be required to play one Archon game against each other bot in their group, which should be quite fun. We'll see how it goes anyway. Anyway, I have a few bots. Luckily, I had 3 sent to me. I had Spiny, which apparently works in Archon mode, and I have Tia, which also apparently works in Archon mode, and Ketrox one, which was sent to me about half an hour ago, which I haven't actually checked yet. So I'm going to be checking that live on air, and then see if we can get that all working, and hopefully some hideous fails. So let's have a look. So what we have here is essentially you can upload bot. Here you have all your current bots, so you can see the status of them. You can see whether they're enabled on the bot or the human play, see if they're downloadable. You can update them by clicking on that and finding the file browser here. I don't know why everything is going so slowly at the moment, but so you can select, you can delete it, and you can download the data from there. So this is where you can upload a new bot. You can type in the bot name, load the bot executable, and all this kind of stuff. So this is very similar to what we had before. You can test a local bot by giving it a local bot directory. Play versus a bot, which is human play versus a remote bot. These bots are the bots that are on the website. As you can see, I have a nice long list of bots here. Not when we do it for release, it will only be the downloadable ones that we can play against. This is only because I've got admin mode on the server. The actual bot lists that you'll be able to play against is significantly reduced. Here you will have the Archon mode, which is the mode we're going to be looking at today. And hopefully we should have a few of them. So I'm just going to find where I put all of my Archon bots, which is in the Archon bots directory, surprisingly. And you'll see that it will load up in a moment. Unfortunately, I don't know why everything's going so slow. So you can see we've got empty Archon Gumbies, which is my bot, which is basically very simple. It will just sit there, make workers, expand, make assimilators. It plays as Protoss. Ketrox bots, which I haven't tested, Spiny and Tia. And that's all the bots you can play as Archon for the moment. And this is the opponent selection. So none of these are actually filtered at the moment for which bots can and can't play with real-time mode on. So I don't know who to play against first. Right, so I am going to play against Sharpened Edge, and I am going to play as Ketrox, and let's see how this goes. It does take a little while to download because unfortunately I don't get any feedback on this at the moment, but trust me, it is going, but it will take a few minutes. While we do that, so with the Aladdin next week, we should be running in, I think, I'm not sure if we're running in real-time mode or not at the moment. I think we were going to change at one point to run on real-time mode to just check the bots were compatible. But yeah, I'm unsure of that at the moment. So we're just getting the clients loaded up. So let's see if we can figure that out. And the problem with a lot of this is I never know which, because I've got two Starcraft windows and I never know which one I am going to use first. So hopefully, let's see if that's displaying the wrong one. Okay, it won't. It is giving me the wrong Starcraft window at the moment, and hold on one minute. So you probably can't see this just at the moment, but it's giving me the wrong Starcraft window on there. And see if that works. No, that's not working. OBS isn't working properly. So, okay. There we have it, guys. Just move that back into there. Which is lucky, really, because with Ketroxbot, I don't really have to do a lot for the first few minutes. So I just have to wait for it to start building lots of SCVs.
Not enough
stuff.
Not enough minerals.
Oh, okay. This is weird. It seems to be reverting selection to the command centers. Okay, this isn't working. I am going to quit this game. Sorry about that. Now I have to. Yeah. So the other problem with the app at the moment is if you quit out of a game, it will break the app. So something else I'm going to have to fix before next week. But hopefully we should have this ready for you soon. But I'm just going to make sure I have the right version of Ketbox because I have several versions on there. So I'm just going to grab the latest version again and make sure I have the correct version. If this doesn't work, then I'll move on to another one and start playing against that. But everything seems to be running slowly at the moment. Right, let's try a different one first, and we'll come back to that one. So right, okay, so I can play as an empty Archon, or I can play as Gummies, and I will play that against, let's go against Spiny. Okay, let's see if this works. Actually, I'm pretty confident this one will work, because this was how I tested it, so yeah, it should all be good in theory. And it might take a while to load up the thing. So it's starting with clients. So it should, in theory, work. Okay. Now, hopefully, this will be the correct window. No, it is not the correct window. Oh, God. This is weird. Okay, so It's not even building me properly the SCVs. I can't. So OBS has this weird thing of if there's two windows exactly the same, it won't capture the right one. So I have to go capture. Let's see if that works. Which it doesn't. Sorry guys, I'm working on trying to get this up and running. Okay, there we have it. So I have given Spiny a nice minute advantage on me. Let's see. See if this works. Okay, so I have to do the first few of these, but in theory, that should work. And now my nice Gumpy spot isn't actually building the probes that I wanted it to build. So ideally, the part of the Protoss bot that was Archon on this was getting it to build the probes, which was the code I was working on for about half an hour before I started the stream, and it seemed to work as soon as before I started the stream. Now it's not, but it is starting to build probes now. That's weird. It built one a second ago. Okay, anyway. I'll just play this through. So that seemed to work. Okay. I'm just going to zell it out anyway. But yeah, so the idea of this probe does nothing else except to the only thing it does is just build probes, but this isn't, so yeah, okay. This is going to be hard to work from now because I know Spiny is going to build lots and lots of roaches. So let's just have a look over here. Oh, but it's still got the chat on, which is good. So yeah, it still tells me when I'm doing something bad, even if it doesn't actually help me not do something bad, which is exactly what you want from a bot.
I'm here in the shadow.
Right, I'll build again. Let's get some more pylons out. Oh yeah, that was the other thing the spot was supposed to do, was build pylons, and it's just not doing it. So I'm currently playing against Spiny. Oh, okay, I think Spiny crashed. Let me just take a look. Sorry. So, yeah, looks like Spiny just crashed, which is rather annoying. Okay. So, as you can tell, this has not been the most successful cast we've ever done. We're only like 10 minutes in already, so yeah. Actually, you're right. Did Gumby's crash? Yeah, that's entirely possible as well. Wait, yeah. No, you're right. Should have checked that. Yeah, so by the way, I was literally coding this about like 10 minutes before ready to go on stream, so it's not impossible that it would have crashed. Let's just try empty Archon. And let's go up against Spiny. Yeah, so just going back to the window capture thing, I could do specific window capture, but you have to do game window capture on OBS, and if there's two windows with the same thing, it doesn't work so well. Yes. Raf, you're entirely correct. It will just basically make a couple of probes if it feels like it, and then like as soon as it gets a little bit tired and says, "Nah, it's not good. Just surrender it. Fine." You know. I mean, it knows me. It knows my play. It knows it's probably best to surrender at that point. So I'm not going to mark Gumbies down on that point. It's fine. Right. Anyway, let's get on with another match. So actually, I'm going to play as Spiny this time, and I'm going to play against Sharpened Edge. Let's see how this goes. Sharpened Edge is one of our larger bots now, so it might take a couple of minutes to download, and there is no feedback on telling you exactly how far it is to download. Grace doesn't matter at this point. It will get that from the bot. I need to take that combo box out because I actually just copied that from the human thing at the moment. So yeah, this should work. Yeah, Mike Moore, you're entirely correct. So the good thing about this is that hopefully I can leave it for a few minutes. And it will do its own thing while I sort out where the so, right. Oh, and I've got the wrong window again. God damn it. It just doesn't let me change window. Yeah, that will do it. Hopefully. I don't know why it's not doing this. Oh. Now it just refuses to capture the window properly. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, maybe. It's not about it loading faster, it's just about being able to capture the window. I'm not worried about how fast it loads. Okay, there we go. Right, now we're set up. Luckily Spiny. Not sure what I'm actually supposed to do with this other than like probably micromanage the units or something. So I don't know, Rasper, if you're in chat, you can give me some tips on. Okay, I can't. And okay. Oh, I typed Archon and it's just building spine crawlers everywhere. Okay, this is. Well, at least we're safe. Hold on. How do you type in that allied chat? How do you type in allied chat, guys? Okay. But yeah. No, I can't type in allied chat. Wait. do it on this.
We require more
Cycles, no,
minerals.
allied chat doesn't work. Yeah, so I did
We
type
require
Archon
more
in
minerals.
chat. Okay. Alright then. Ah. Wait. What's happening? Is this like...
More minerals.
This is weird. Yeah, I think it's playing against Gumbies, even though I'd said it to play against Sharpened Edge. Unless Sharpened Edge has a... How did this work?
We require more minerals.
Sharpened Edge have a 4 great build order, right? That's good. Didn't learn that from me entirely at all. Oh,
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
right, let's see if I can bring this to attack. Come on, guys.
More minerals.
Yeah, I know you do. Right, let's take this out. I can't get control of these guys.
We require
No, it's not following my commands.
we require
Let's see if I
more
can just
minerals.
control this queen. Yeah, so we'll just play this to the end.
We require more minerals.
F11. Yeah, it didn't actually respond to the Archon.
We require more. We require more minerals. Our forces are under attack.
No, doesn't look like it. Okay, if I don't have the right version, I will surrender this one then. And maybe I can grab the right version. That won't work. Give me one sec. Right. Wait. So, is the latest version the one you've uploaded to the site already? Yeah. So, you uploaded one today. Okay, give me one sec. So there's one at 8:20 in the morning, which is the latest one I've got, I think. My God, uploading a version at 8:20 in the morning. There's nothing I do at 8:20 in the morning. I'm never that that organized. So let me go back into here. I will grab that. And okay. So that should be the correct one now. Yeah, definitely 8:15 this morning. That's a very tight, so I'll try that one again. And, right. Sorry guys, you're currently looking at a blank screen. And let's go for Zen. We'll play against Sharpened Edge again. This is Spiny. It's definitely the correct version there. So that should be right, I think. Anyway, I'll select Zerg, even though that doesn't actually make any difference at the moment. So let's just have a look. Yeah, it takes a while to download Sharpened Edge. Thanks to all these compile to exe bots now. I mean, it's nice in that it maintains compatibility, but it does take a lot longer to download. So there we go. And there we have the awful task of getting the correct game capture window again. Hopefully, let's see if this brings up the right one. No, it doesn't. That's not working. Okay, there we go. So is this now the correct version? Hopefully it is. Yeah, it's good we do these kind of tests because then the tests can fail and prove how bad my code is. Meanwhile, I'm looking quite dark, so I'm going to go turn the light on. Yeah, so this is the fun way of playing StarCraft 2, guys. It's basically sit back, watch the bot do everything, and then just take control of the fights, I think. Anyway, type Archon in chat. And I didn't get a response, I don't think. I'm not sure if I have to type Archon by a specific time or if it's just like any time. Okay, so this one's bugged again. I will quit out. So oh, okay, that makes sense. Thanks for jumping in. So where is he linked? Which channel? Okay. So, yeah. Oh, Imphy, if you've got a sharpened edge version that works in Archon, just shove it on. Drop me a link to it in Discord, and I'll download and play it. It's fine. So yeah, but that was definitely the latest one we have on ladder that I was trying just now. So yeah. Okay. Ah, that's cool. Right, I'll try a different one for the moment, and then we can come back to that one if we can find something else. Cool. Thanks. Yep. Hopefully it will. So uh, it's cool. Guys, we'll be with you in 1 second. Okay, let's try that again. In theory, should be downloading Sharpened Edge again. I really should make it so you don't have to download bots from the previous game if you want to play them again. That's an extra feature request in there. But yeah, we're getting there. Like, so hopefully, there we go. It's starting up now. Yeah, don't worry about this unable to pass config file warning here for the moment. It's because currently I'm trying to pass the config file twice, which is never a good idea. Okay, so so it hasn't responded to my Archon thing. Game capture. Possibly. Okay. That's weird. So yeah, I typed Archon and hasn't actually responded on that. I don't think it's detected real time either, which is weird. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, I do have one other which I know works, and that is tier. So I'm going to just play with that now, and we'll see how that goes. In theory, that should be fine. So, yep, Just bear with us, guys, here. I know we haven't had a successful test yet, but we are working on it. We'll get there. This is why you have tests. And this is actually why you test things before coming on stream. Right? Right, guys? Okay. Anyway, let's see. It's weird. I'm not getting back to that. Yeah, just give this a couple of seconds to catch up because it needs to end this properly. Right, so, okay, Archon bot is tier. Opponent bot, let's go Micro Machine this time. Is there any other we want to play against? Yeah, let's go against Micro Machine. Give ourselves a challenge, right? Yeah. We'll see if tier can let me last until 10 minutes. Because when I tried this before, it went comically badly. But hopefully, like, I figured out what to do now. So it's fine. What could possibly go wrong? Okay. That's very weird. I don't know. It's possible. I'll have a look into it after the stream.
Not enough.
Oh, wait, I got the wrong window again. Right, let's, come on. No. Right, okay, so I think now we have the right window. There we go. Okay. So I don't have to do anything specific on here, do I? Yeah, so this way I mean that I can actually select the units here, which is good. But yeah, I can just sit back and let Tia take care of the opening strategy. What was yeah, it was basically supposed to do its normal strategy, but you can take control of the units and do the micro, which might be good. So nothing too crazy at the moment. She did Micro Machine announce its strategy, it didn't do it at all, so... Really? It didn't say Proxy Marauder. Actually, that's a good plan. Let's wait. No. Oh, give me control. Okay, yeah. Okay. Possibly. Here comes the Marauder. Right, okay, get me a shield battery. Come on, get me a shield battery. Like... No, okay. Get me a shield battery. Come on. Come here, you stupid fucking probe! I'm sorry, I shouldn't swear on stream, but like... I need a shield battery. Right, okay. No. Yeah. Right, come over here. Oh, it's not enough minerals. Oh, I'm not getting enough minerals here. No. No, this is not too bad. Like, okay, I can get a shield battery up. I don't think it's going to be much use, though. Okay, this wasn't the best choice for this. No.
Base is under attack.
Yeah.
Base is under attack.
Okay, that's good. Okay, let's surrender this one, guys. No, I don't think so. So your latest one was the one that's just been sent. Okay, that's cool. That's spiny one. So that's one you sent me at 650, which is okay. That's good. Just let all this finish up. Uh, so there's one. No, it's only 9 o'clock now. So oh, it's spiny one. Yeah. So yours one's on 650. Yeah, that's cool. Just check. So okay, yeah, okay. Right. So there's nothing I have to. There's nothing I have to type in chat or anything like that. And everything's set up on Zen. I think that's correct. Yeah, race doesn't matter at the moment. But let's try this. Hopefully, hopefully we'll have one successful bot. Like, if all else fails, I'll just try the empty Archon and play normally. But yeah. Okay, that's good. Yes, send me Sharpened Edge on Discord, and I will play against it next, or play with it next. So that would be good. All right. So, no, wrong window again. So there's nothing I have to type in chat or anything like that. Just yeah. No, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, it gives a message now, but so yeah, I think with the game capture, I have to go to capture full screen window and then turn it back, and it works. That's good. So yeah, I think I have a problem with Ketroc, because when I try and select a unit, it will automatically switch back to selecting the command center. So if you look at that, and it sounds like it's selecting everything all the time as well. I'm not sure if that's a problem.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Yeah, this is weird. Huh.
Not enough minerals.
Maybe I'll try
Not
with
enough
that
minerals.
instead.
Not enough minerals.
Don't think so. Let me have a look. So, okay, let me try. Right, I'll let that go for a moment. I'm just trying something else quickly. Um, oh, this is strange. Sorry guys, just figuring out what's going on here. Let's just remove. No, it shouldn't be. No, it's definitely not. Oh wait, I think I know what's happening. It's got it cached. One sec. Yeah, I think it's got it cached on here, which is weird. It shouldn't do. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's weird. That's what I think so. It shouldn't do. Right. So I'll clear the other directory. And try that again. So it should just cache to the documents directory. Oh, that's weird. Okay, give me 1 second. Right, I'll just grab the sharpened edge version as well. And then we can need to figure out what's happening. So sharpened edge is there. Try turning it off and on again. Yes, almost. I may try turning it off and on again pretty soon. Right. Okay, I think I've got it right this time. So, okay. Let's try. No, tier was fine, but it just wasn't. Yeah, probably not. Right, let's try. Let's try opponent bot spiny against Kitra. Right, let's try that. Unable to pass config file. What? Okay. I think that's still working there. And hopefully. Empty Archon is the bot that I just put. It's basically empty. It does absolutely nothing except let you play. So Gumbies will just do pretty much the same, except control the probes and the pylons and everything. Obviously, the other ones are just there. So I think that's failed. It didn't download the data directory. Yeah, that it will do that because every time it runs through it, it will try and load the letterbox JSON for every single bot that it knows. Just let me try Spiny again. Won't make Spiny play against itself. Right, so try that. Having bots play against themselves is a nightmare. It normally ends up clashing with each other and doing something stupid. But yeah. Yeah, that's quite embarrassing. You shouldn't do that, guys. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't think there's any way I can pretend that I'm Grandmaster. Not after the ladder tournament, after the authors tournament. Um, but yeah, no, I made it to the final, but like, yeah, I think it was because so access. I think it was because Doctor was doing some weird builds on me, and like I finally managed to beat him twice. But like, it's like okay, you just made like a full-on PF rush against me, and I'm like, okay, which was fun. Right, so let's do capture full screen. We right, okay, Archon, yay, that works. Yeah, yes. So yeah, I can just move a drone about now, which is nice. By the way, so though I can't actually.
We require more minerals.
Yeah, no, it's playing well. Apart from it came over here to build. Oh, I think it came over to build the thing, but it didn't realize that I was building a spawning pool instead. Guys, how do you play Zerg? Actually, I'll just leave it and let it do its build, and then I can just play with all the units that it's gonna have. Sorry, Spiny. Don't you mean Rasmus says don't trust? Try not to control it. Yeah, yeah. You are confusing the bot and its master, or its almost master. So yeah, I will leave the drones alone. I will just control whatever it lets me control. Apart from like, oh, we really need to do something about.
We require more minerals.
Give me a spine crawler. I know I said let it control the drones, but like I need a spine crawler.
We require more minerals.
Exactly. I'm not sure it's going to do me much good. Yeah. Actually, no point.
We require more minerals.
Yeah, it's already too late. Oh, yeah, good point. So I'm going to have one spine up anyway.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Wait, no.
We require more.
Come on, let me put a spine crawler. What are you?
We require more minerals.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. But come out of here. There we go. More cannons, of course. Yeah. So yeah, I think that kind of works. It's a really weird experience not having control of everything, because you never know, like, you never know what you're going to be fighting with next. Oh, what are you doing? Get out of there! Actually, yeah. I don't think it's that great, but yeah. Let's go for an attack after this. Yeah. Let's see what's over here. Probably a bunch of cannons over here waiting for me. What's Pliny producing? It's not actually producing that much. Yeah. I got... Yeah, might as well. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Our forces are under attack.
Yeah, I think we're okay. Yeah, I think that's going to depower everything. I have no idea. I think we're okay at the moment.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Oh, but get these guys out of here. Oh, that was a mortal on the high ground. I don't think I can take an immortal over here. Should I go and deal with that cannon anyway? I think that's probably the ideal. Roaches have such terrible range. Good point. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty good, actually. Let's go back and keep the pressure on anyway. Yay, finally I got my hatchery down. Yeah. Yeah, probably. Give me some gas. Yeah. I mean, to be fair, I panic when I'm cannon rushed as well, so it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, we should be able to get a third down quite easily. Okay. It's maybe not so good. It's very difficult to break this. Yep. Oh, I'm running away from a sentry on its own. Why am I doing that? And why don't I have any more units? I need more unit. Yeah, I'm worried that I think he's got a bigger army than me now, so
We
it's like,
require more minerals.
what is he spending all the money on? Yeah. Ah, okay. Hopefully that means I'm going to be able to get some more money. Oh, bollocks. That was a mistake.
We require more minerals. Metamorphosis complete. We require more. Our forces are under attack. We require our forces are under attack. We require more minerals.
Maybe a third, guys. I'll leave Spiny to figure it out, but like I would go for a third here personally. Yeah, I think this is a lost game.
We require more.
Oh well, GG. Okay, so that's a interesting one. Goes to show how often they play Zerg here. Yeah, so it does work. I think I found the problem. So that's going to solve a few things probably. Let's close down that. Right, okay, let's try and play the other side of this match. Actually, no, I'll go with, let's try out Ketchcock. Let's play against Spiny. Hopefully this one will work. No. Yeah, I'm having some fun playing with this now. Now I've got it to actually work properly. Um, So you were saying just wait for the Ravens and drop the the auto cannons, right? Yeah, perfect. Why can't I just do this on ladder, guys? Just make my life so much easier. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Right. Okay. Um, Yeah. Oh, wait, can't you hear? Yeah. I thought you were coming through on this stream. Say something quickly. Say something again quickly. Ah, okay. For some reason, I'm not getting you coming through at all. Try again now.
Now.
Ah, there we go. Perfect.
Yeah.
Sorry. I thought you were coming through the whole time, but obviously not. I do apologize for that.
Okay. That makes me respect the people in chat a little bit more. We keep repeating the same thing I already said. It's like, oh, they never heard me. Okay, that makes more sense.
Okay, so that is weird. Right, I'll just go trying to figure out how to actually do this when you've got two windows up. Right, there we go. Perfect. Aha. So, yeah, I'm just going to sit back and wait and relax for at least the next like 5 minutes until we start getting some ravens.
Yeah. If you get cheese, you may want to start building marines or control the couple marines you do have. But for the most part, you can just chillax until the starports start producing.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, so you gave up on the other strategy, the mass Thor one.
Additional supply depots required.
I never had mass Thor. It's a Banshee Viking bot when it plays on its own.
Okay,
But I
I'm
would have
sure you
loved it
had.
to be Mass Raven, which is really hard with a bot, but in Archon mode, no issues.
Yeah. I'm sure you had Thors at one point.
No. Maybe you're thinking of Vibu Terran. We started around the same time.
Possibly, yeah. Yeah, maybe. Sorry. I get confused. Too many bots.
Yeah.
That's not true. We always want more bots. There's no such thing as too many bots.
Yeah, I think at the end of season 1 on AI Arena was probably over 50 bots at the end.
Yeah.
That's fine. SCV ready.
Some of them not so active, but still a lot of new bots.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a problem we have sometimes. Like, it's why we like to keep the seasons quite quick, so that like all the bots that are actually playing are reasonably active, which seems to make sense. We did that for a little while. I think in season 6, which lasted a long time, and you end up having like about 50 bots, and like about 2/3 of them haven't been updated in 3 months. So, yeah, it's not too
there's
bad.
a lot of crossover too between gamers and coders. So
yeah, definitely.
As long as we're getting some visibility out there, we'll always find new people to join the community and build bots.
Yeah, it's one of the things. One of the things we love about this. Okay, so do we want to land that, or should I just leave that there?
I'm on stream delay, so I'm not sure. I don't use it because that's not a Raven. So
Fair
I just
enough.
lift. I hardcode my building locations, so I wouldn't land it in the main. If you're gonna land it somewhere else. You can scout with it if you want. Just don't lose it.
Oh, that's all right. Should we be making a tech lab?
Yeah, whatever. SCV ready.
When it tries to build a Raven and there's no tech lab, then it builds a tech lab.
Okay.
But you can pre-build it if you want to.
Big job, huh?
Yeah, I would lift off that factory. It might be blocking a location of a key structure.
I think it's not building a tech lab because it doesn't have a tech lab. So
I think it's not building a tech lab because it has no gas, right? You need 200 gas for a Raven. And then once it gets enough for a Raven, it's like, oh, there's no tech lab, I build a tech lab.
Right, okay. I said it going a bit early anyway, so hopefully we get some more Ravens.
Yeah, I mean, it's more for the Banshee Viking bot. I don't want to build a tech lab if I'm not making Banshees at that moment.
Yeah,
it helps versus like those Tempest Rush bots. But since this spot only in Archon it only makes ravens, there's no reason not to make a tech lab.
Yeah. So we have 4 bases.
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Let's,
Yeah, there's a large
okay.
emphasis on expanding because the more expansions you have, the more gas geysers you can take. The more gas you take, the more ravens you can have.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Um,
SCV ready.
I'm just waiting for my first raven. Give me something to fight with
Command
I know.
and
center.
lose.
SCV ready.
It just keeps spending all its gas on something. I don't know
SCV
what.
ready.
Yeah.
Oh,
Get the
we're getting a
infrastructure up.
raven.
Yeah, there we go.
SCV ready.
I mean, we're going up to, well, we're on 6 gas geysers, soon it'll be more. They'll start
Yeah.
coming quickly.
Yeah.
Takes a
That's
while to
cool.
get going. It's definitely not a Raven
Command
rush
center
bot.
upgrade.
It's a
No.
Not enough
macro into
minerals.
Raven bot.
We
Not
hear ya.
enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Captain Jack, this bot typically doesn't make ravens. I only set it up to make ravens for this Archon mode.
Upgrade complete. Not enough minerals.
When it plays by itself, it goes Banshee Viking.
Okay, so got a couple of marines. First
Additional
raven is
Overload.
out.
required.
SCV ready.
Additional supply. Mineral field depleted.
Will do.
Okay, I'm going to wait for the other
Additional supply.
raven to come out, and then
This
we'll.
is fan missile turrets. I think it just makes 1 in each base if it spouts any sort of evidence of air. Or any evidence of DTs or anything like that.
SCV
Yeah.
ready.
Let's go around here. Oh, hello.
We hear ya.
I would suggest going after mineral lines with auto turrets, but you can do whatever you want.
I'm just going to kill a queen with it.
Research complete.
I'm not sure that's the best use of energy, but let's go after the mineral line anyway. We're up to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 bases already. That's not too bad.
Complete.
Oh, god damn it! There is a thing over there. I wonder if I can fit one in.
This vessel will comply.
Oh,
That's
okay.
mandatory. It's blocked.
Command authority registered.
There we go.
So if you want to place multiple auto turrets, what you can actually do is
Yeah.
hold down T and then just start left clicking everywhere.
Okay. I'm gonna get these fixed up anyway.
Command center upgrade complete. Mineral field depleted.
Move it. Sure thing.
State your request.
Add-on complete. Our SCVs are under attack.
Yep.
Add-on complete.
Yes, sir.
Command
So-
center
Probably more ravens
upgrade
waiting for you.
Yeah, we've got ravens. We've got ravens for days, boys. Right, I will just get this one fixed up.
We could use some help here.
Online.
Yeah, okay. I'll be over there in a sec, mate.
Raven online. Scanning battlefield conditions.
Base is under attack.
Right, okay. Oh,
Command
hello.
center upgrade
Raven and online. Command. Raven online.
We could use some help here.
Online. Command authority registered.
See if we can.
Command center upgrade. Base is under attack.
Right away.
We're in some trouble. I'll wait for them to come over here.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Mineral field
Are they going to come
depleted.
this way?
SCV ready.
Command
Ah, where did they go?
Command base is under attack.
One auto turret at a time versus an army doesn't work very well.
Command
No.
center upgrade complete.
Try flying past the army while holding T, and then just left click everywhere. And that way you can spit out a whole ton of them at
Ah,
once.
okay, yeah.
But I say go after his drones. Just ignore the army. Maybe you can hurt him more than he hurts you.
Yeah, let's try that.
Command center upgrade complete.
Oh,
Our
fun.
SCVs are under attack.
Online. Raven online. Raven online.
Base is under attack. Our SCVs are under attack. Command
Oh, no, he's got some things out as well.
Yeah. Go for drones. They can't fight back.
base
Oh, you'll have to
is
watch
under attack.
Spiny. It's pretty good
Yeah.
on the parasite bombs and the fungals. So we'll see how your micro is. Maybe I'll turn the
Our SCVs are under attack.
turn that bot feature back on where it automatically peels away the unit that has parasite bomb on it.
Yeah, that would be a good idea. Oh no, I'm losing everything.
Mineral field depleted. Base is under attack.
Oh, you got parasite bomb on you, but there's a huge stream delay, so. Uh-oh. Oh god. Rip.
Oh, I'm just getting destroyed here. Well, this is pretty fun though.
Scanning battle even online.
Like other people aren't as delayed as me.
Underway.
Maybe I've had a refresh.
Add-on.
Online.
Ah,
Online.
Command center upgrade complete.
Job complete.
Add-on complete.
Order acknowledged. Command Raven online.
oh, okay, one way to go.
Understood. Order.
Mineral field depleted.
Yeah, I think this game is lost.
Oh no, another parasitic.
Yeah. I'm all dead. Let's have a look quickly.
I'm under attack.
Yeah, he's at 200, 200. So that's not a winnable game. GG anyway. That's good fun. But yeah, it just takes a while to get going, I think, that tactic. But no, it's I enjoyed that. That was good. Right, okay, I'm gonna try let's give a sharpened edge a go, and then I will try one more go with spine. Actually, had to go with spine, didn't we? So I'll try one more with tier, and then I think we might cut it off there. Yeah, that was good. Right, turn the game capture off. Okay, just get everything closed. Yeah. So, did I have sharpened edge? I downloaded it, I think. Just changing directory here. And everything's going so slow. I have a feeling my hard disk might be dying, which is rather worrying, but It's either that or I've just got this running in debug mode, so it might have a problem there. But yeah, this is very useful to debugging. Right, okay. Okay, everything is broken, not working. Finally. Right, let's go sharpened edge. And this time I will play against. So I'll play. Oh, no. Who do I want to play against? Additional pylons doesn't work, unfortunately. I don't want to play against Micro Machine because it will just rush me again. Yeah, wait. Let's go against Claude. Actually, no, screw it. I'm going to go against Micro Machine. I want a challenge. Let's do it. Right, so this is going to take not too long to download in theory. And let's see how sharpened edge works. So Impy, what's the what does the spot do that I have to do, and what do I not have to do? Let's have a look. Just control whatever you want. Okay. Sounds like a plan. Right, I've got the right window this time. Space-time irregularity detected, fine. I will have my space-time irregularities. I'm just going to leave it for a moment. See what it wants to do.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
See.
Not enough minerals.
I am willing to bet that we're going to get proxy marauded again. Actually, I am going to go and have a look for my proxy marauder. Oh, hello.
That's not your SCV. Oh, you're still the SCV that was expanding. Or the probe that was expanding.
Yeah. I did find the thing, though. Wait, is it going to expand?
Oh, instant cancel. That's new.
Yeah. Okay, so
It used to just lose the SCV and then send another SCV all the way across the map.
Yeah.
I wouldn't chase anymore. I think he gave up.
So the good thing is I found his thing. The bad thing is I might have stopped our expand.
Yep, you did.
I'm going to go back and expand for him. Or unless he's going to do it again.
He might do it again when he hits
he's doing it again. It's fine.
Yeah.
That's good. So we've stopped that for a moment. Fine, no cheesing, maybe next time. So, where is this Where's this probe going?
I am here in the shadows.
Scout, perhaps.
Yeah, let's see what he's building anyway.
You can take control of that guy and then be really annoying. Attack all his SCVs or trying to produce structures and whatnot. Actually, no, Sharpened Edge does that already for you. No need.
Wait.
It shall be as you say.
Oh, sorry, far out. I've got a stalker though, I can come and tackle it.
Intriguing.
Although actually, it might be best to let it come back here.
Our pylon is under attack.
Oh, hello.
You require my skills.
Like a tech lab factory, so I'm guessing cyclones are next.
Research complete. Very well.
Probably. We need blink.
Is under attack.
Why don't I only have one stalker? Oh, bollocks. Come back in here and get this one.
Shadows.
Oh, damn. Right. Get me some blink, guys. Okay, he's... Wow! I just said, get me some blink, guys, and immediately Sharpened Edge just threw down like a thingy. Temple thing. The Twilight Council, that's the one.
Yeah, he has a built-in voice recognition software.
That's brilliant. Like...
So the nice thing about that is usually when you deal with these Reapers, you forget to make probes the entire time and end up way behind. But
yeah,
with the bots helping you out, don't have to worry about that.
exactly, yeah. He's going to try and circle around. Hey, get me blink.
If you said you were controlling the gateway, so it wasn't producing.
Base is under attack. Your probes are under attack.
Oh, stop with this fucking Reaper.
Require more. You have not enough minerals.
I jump in again.
Your probes are under attack. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. I am here in the shadows.
Right, get me a... Why can't I
Just
build
right-click your
anything?
third
Yeah, I
pylon.
can't build anything with this. This is annoying. Yeah, I'm trying to build a gateway over here, but pylon rather. How long till I can get blink? Oh, that's good.
You have not enough minerals.
Right, let's go on the offense.
You have not
I want to build cannons in my main, but I can't build like a pylon, which is really annoying. But that's fine.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough. I am here. Our pylon is under attack. You have not enough minerals.
Bollocks.
Let our enemy know our embrace. Mineral field depleted. Upgrade complete. Not enough. You
Oh, I've not got enough energy for a recall either. I'm gonna have to walk back. Where is my observer? I need to get enough money for a recall, but like it keeps spending all my energy. I don't know
Yeah.
where my observer is. Is my observer with the army? Stop
You had one with the army,
zooming.
yeah.
Ah, there we go. Right, you need to get back. Ideally build a cannon. I can't build anything. Ah, I can't build a cannon. I need a cannon in my main. And this is exactly how I lost a doctor in the fucking tournament as well, with freaking banshees. They caught me every time.
Maybe if you patrol the observer or hold position it, then the bot won't send it back with the army.
I don't know, possibly. I just set it on thingy.
You lost many a worker.
Yeah.
You
Right.
require more Vespine gas. Our pylon is under attack. You require more Vespine gas.
I believe Sharpened Edge typically beats Micro Machine now. So
So
you
what you're
lose.
saying
You
is
can't blame.
basically I'm worse than the bot.
Yeah, you cannot blame Sharpened Edge. It's the only bot you can't blame if you lose the Micro Machine.
Oh no, I'm gonna blame it anyway.
Your probes are under attack. Up.
I listen to sentries now too. Jeez, banshees are annoying.
Yes, they are.
I am the voice of the eclipse. Engaging the enemy.
Oh, and now he's got Thor's out.
That's okay. That's actually why Micro Machine loses to Sharpened Edge. The Thors are definitely not good versus Stalker Immortal.
I return to serve. Our pylon is under attack.
You need to leave a couple stalkers in each base. You can't just chase the banshees everywhere. He's making you look silly.
They're all dead. It's fine.
Did you? Okay. Oh, nice blink. I'm sorry, I'm like 10 seconds behind you. So.
Right. You may have killed a bunch of my pros, but I'm still up on 74, so it's not too bad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh god, they're gonna come in and destroy me. Oh, no. It's not.
I return to serve.
Oh, what's happening over here?
Engaging the enemy. My light for hire.
Oh, it looks like I might be able to win this eventually.
I think the Stalkers are your only anti-air, so make sure they're always fighting
Yeah.
VCs. Immortals should be able to make quick work of Thors, and
Yeah.
especially with Zealot support. Probably hit a Guardian Shield too. That'd be helpful.
I think my immortal.
This army.
That's it, got one of those. Yeah, I think we might have this one.
Very
Finally.
nice.
Yeah, I'm
Nice
finding it
blink
fun
on
to
that
take
VC.
control of the take control of the stalkers and let everything else just do its part.
Yeah.
We need an observer.
Mineral field depleted.
I think he gets the Thors because of Tempest, would be my guess. But
Yeah.
there are no Tempests, so I think it's an experiment that Raph is doing right now. You want to take a peek at his 2 fourth bases? You haven't scouted out of them,
Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
just in case. Or you can just kill his production. That wins sparks too.
Yeah.
So he's got Cloak Banshee on you.
Yeah, I don't have a...
Calibrating void.
Air units, he's not ready.
Sharpened Edge took a 4th base during that time, so that's nice.
Oh yeah. Like, that's something he's very good at. Right, meanwhile, taking out the micro machine base.
Yeah, so he has a 9 o'clock base, and then there's a chance he has the 6 o'clock base too.
Yeah.
Oh, Void Ray, nice. Charge that thing up.
We are the light of the power. Mineral.
If you notice that Templar feedback killed a medevac. Kind of cool.
Yeah, that's good.
Feedback does only half the damage it used to, but
Yeah.
still pretty useful though.
Upgrade complete.
Right, I'm probably going to call this done in a second, because I think there's no way Micro Machine wins this and claim my rightful victory. Yeah, so
Very nice. Well done.
yay, awesome. So yeah, that worked pretty well. Let's just have a look at... I think I still got to play as Tyr, so I'm going to try Tyr again, and then after that I'm probably going to call it a day.
Yeah, Tyr's the only one you haven't tried.
Yeah,
Um,
so that's good.
yeah, I'm going to step off chat.
Okay, all
Good
right,
luck.
well thanks for jumping in anyway. That's good. Anyway, and I'll speak to you in a bit. All right, okay. Set down. And then, right, so Archon bot is going to be Tyr. I am going to play against Carpenter this time. Let's see how we do. I have high hopes for Tyr on this one. I think it will work quite well. But, yeah, it's an interesting one that you just have to hope you don't lose to any bots that would normally beat the other bots. Because then you're just worse than them. Which is good. It does take away the boring parts of Starcraft, by the way. Yeah, all the building and the macro and everything like that. The bits that aren't fighting, basically, it does take away those bits, which is, if you like it, I guess. Right, okay. Oh, Tim is playing as random. So I need to be in control of the red ones.
You have not enough minerals.
Okay. Let's put the game capture on. So I don't know what tactics this is playing as with Tyr here, but we'll figure something out. So pretty standard opening. Also uses a lot of energy from... Oh, we're getting cannon rushed. Right, guys, I'm going to have to take control here. Let's build a cannon. Yeah, I don't think there's much I can do on this one at the moment. I keep wanting to make workers, and I know that's a mistake.
You have not enough minerals.
Oh, I don't have enough minerals for a cannon. And I'm going to get rushed here. I need to save enough minerals for a cannon, guys. Come on, Tyr, give me enough minerals for a cannon. Just to stop him from building one. Actually, yeah, get stalkers out.
You have not enough minerals.
We should be okay on this, I think. Just get the stalkers out.
You have not enough minerals.
Yeah, this should be fine. Just kill everything from the high ground. I'm not having to do much at the moment. Like, get me another stalker. Alright, I just told it to build a stalker. I'd really like to get yeah, actually, no, that's fine. We're getting an immortal, probably another immortal here. That should be able to deal with it, no problem. Don't lose the stalker to that. Just take out this one here for a moment.
You have not
Okay.
enough minerals.
There we go. So we got a good amount of Stalker Immortals. I'm going to queue up the ground weapons for him. No, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? No, stop, stop, stop!
Your probes are under attack.
No, no.
I return to serve.
No, 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 no. No, 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 stop! Don't go there. Just kill him from the high ground, it's fine. Okay, we're good, we're good. Now we can kill everything. Alright, okay. Well, let's just run up the other end and kill him.
Very well.
Alright. Okay, Tyr, just give me lots and lots of units. We're going to run over there and kill him.
I return to serve.
Yep. Keep sending me units, Tyr. it's fine. Don't think we really need to bother with expanding.
Intriguing. Veraku. Cold is the void. We move unseen. It shall be. I am here.
Let the immortals go first.
I return to serve.
I think this should be GG. I think we should. That's Artos' pylon of the century.
I return to serve.
I think we should be able to take all of these out. So yeah, I think that's GG, guys. And we'll just clear him up. And I am going to call that done. Yeah, so I quite liked his way of doing things. He managed to handle the cannon rush quite well. So yeah, that's good. But yeah, guys, so that kind of demonstrates exactly where we're going with the Archon client. As you can see, there are a few bugs as yet. Hopefully I have this in your hands and ready to go at some point tomorrow, maybe. Yeah, that's the plan anyway. But yeah, so I am going to cut it off there, guys. I'll put an announcement out when the software is good to go, and hopefully you all should be able to play it very soon. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you all soon. Catch you later.